So absolutely, yes. If you're fearful of the dentist and you know you don't like to visit the dentist, and it's a procedure that's going to take some time, sedation is a great choice for you. Sedation, you can sedate a patient in a few different types of ways. You can have oral sedation, so that means taking a sedative an hour before visiting the doctor, and he can also give you some laughing gas to augment the sedation a bit. Or if you really need to be sedated in a form or fashion where you don't really want to be aware of what's going on, you can use different levels of sedation, like conscious sedation or even deep sedation for that. So the important thing that you visit a dentist and take care of that too, okay, before it gets any worse. Good luck to you.